Why you fake laughing?
Hey, Mello.
Hi. Oh, no drink.
Crossing the top?
Thank you.
Give me 1 second until you order.
You know what you're getting? I was running through the 6 with my woe. On top? What's that?
Everyone out smoke. I walk around with.
Oh, the Navy and the Air Force shit is
Look at that plane. Look right here. I guess somebody finna jump out of there.
up there?
Yeah, look.
All the way up there?
That's where they jump out the plane at. You gotta have enough room to jump out.
That's high.
Okay.
It's like disappearing to me. Like it's really small.
Did you find the address?
6410 cup. You gotta put in your GPS.
I wanna see if somebody gonna jump out of there.
I don't think nobody gonna jump. You don't have to do all that.
They gonna jump out of there.
That would have been so nice to watch. So we just went to the Air Force, Andrews Air Force Base, but we got turned around because we're non-military, and I think the parking was full.
Somebody gonna jump out of what?
That plane is up there coasting, waiting for another plane. That's high. Some people skydive.
Yes, you gotta go so many
Oh, I
feet
want to
up
do that
in
for
the
my
sky.
28th, baby.
Well, I'll see when you get down.
Cause you're scary.
You right. What's the address? 6410 what?
COVENTRY.
C-O-V.
Coventry. You ready? Which way should I go? That way?
She ain't go back there. 495 South.
I'm gonna circle around.
Oh, South is that way.
Okay.
So I think out this way. That's weird how they got their drive through like. That's crazy. Cause the food.
Don't eat McDonald's, y'all. Trash food. Oh, I can make this right here. Oh shoot. Y'all gonna let me go? Thank you. Really like my makeup. Just need some lashes. That look good. Can I have a name? That's cool that it's a plane. Like, I mean, I know ain't no big deal. It could anything be wrong, but it's like real life. I feel like the restaurants in Houston don't even be playing TV. Can I take the rice, please?
Just get back to the car and go get some.
Yeah, so I'm headed to watch a comedy show, and look to my left and look to my right. You can see that I'm walking alone, but I'm out here with Eric, my husband, but he left me. It's dark out here. I'm gonna show him this. Believe in me. He said, you were talking, he said, y'all. I'm just kidding, he didn't say that. He was just like, he's like, were you affected by the hurricane? And I was like, That's what he said. He was like, Texas and Illinois tonight. I know. But I'm dark. I'm doing that. He wanna be back in Houston so bad, y'all. We know you repping Houston.
Man, that's my city, you hear me?
He wanna be back in Houston so bad, but he's out here with me. Hey, look Eric.
We're all friends here. We're all friends here. Thank you. Because I felt like I had to talk to the rhythm. Can't. I don't dance. I make money moves.
Okay. Okay.
I make money moves. Look.
Signs I shouldn't have went to that dumbass school. First of all, we didn't have a real campus. It was a floor renovated over top of a Thai restaurant. I lied to you not. Lied to you not. I used to go to night school, right? And they used to have these little short women come in, and they was custodians, and they used to come in and clean up after us when we left, right? And I remember one night, this lady came in with her headphones in, right? And she didn't notice us. So she came in, pitched a big barrel trash can. She looked up, saw all of us just like how it is now, saw all of us, right? And she was like, "Oh my God, I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't know y'all was in here learning. I'm sorry. Make sure y'all get your education. I graduated from here." That's when I picked them up.
He was basically Hitler's wet dream. Or Charlottesville protester. Either or. You can go either way. You can go either way. And we met online, and so we met up to have a drink. And we headed off, so we went back to his place, and we had sex. And it was fine. I feel like you guys are expecting more from that story. I'm gonna be honest with you, so was I. But I've never had sex with a white guy before. I've only had sex with black men my entire life. Satisfying, you know? I know.
It was great. He did a very good job, the young man. He did a very good job. Give it up for me, y'all. I just turned 30. 4 years ago. You didn't let me finish. You didn't let me finish. 4 years ago. I like being 34. It's a good age. It's a good age. I'm young enough where I'm still allowed to have dreams. Yeah. A couple. I'm young enough where I'm still allowed to have dreams. I'm old enough though where people no longer think they're going to come true. Yeah. That's like we've launched into the idea of absurdity where they're going to come true. Like, oh, you have a dream. It's adorable. You know who else had a dream? Martin Luther King, get a real job. Like that kind of. Buy a cookie before you leave. Keith Corey sells cookies, and they are delicious. Have a good rest of your evening. Have it up for yourself.
Hey, we had a good night tonight. Comedy show. You're right, baby.
We just left the Beer Baron Tower. Beer Baron Tavern in DuPont Circle, I think. Off of 23rd. And no, it's not even on 23rd.
It was a cool night tonight. I enjoyed myself.
You can't even see me.
It was a house full of ladies. It was only like me and two other dudes.
No.
Yeah.
First of all, how do you know how many ladies it was? You should have only had eyes for me.
I'm in a building full of
I'm just kidding.
80,000 women.
Good answer, good answer. That's funny though, how they was like talking about people with no children got energy.
Big boy, big fella.
And his church. This holy estate, which has been adorned and beautified by Christ with his presence and first miracle in Cana of Galilee. As such, marriage is not to be entered into unadvisedly or lightly, but reverently, discreetly, advisedly, soberly, and in the fear of God. Into this holy estate, Eric and Melinda come now to be joined. Passionate hearts, kindness, humility, as a complaint against another, forgiving. Rule in your hearts, to which indeed you were called in one body.
You look good.
Spiritual song.
Look at you. He had another suit, y'all.
In word or deed, do everything in the name of the Lord Jesus.
My man, Wayne,
giving thanks to God. Rooting in
It's
the
like
Lord.
a music video.
Husbands.
Oh my goodness.
To my one true love. Thank you.
As we were 18, I knew me and you were going to get married.
By the authority vested in me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ, I pronounce that Eric and Melinda are husband and wife. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. And those that God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Eric, you may salute your bride.
That was
Hey, oh, yeah, anytime, man. Yeah.